just as so. So now we're right on the edge. We're gonna start going into the cup. So E for extrude again, and you just want to go down just slightly, and then we're gonna scale inwards just slightly. Then we're gonna go E for extrude, go down again, just one more section, and you can see in this part of the section that we've now gone inside of the cup. So this is the lip of the cup, just here, and then we've got this massive void, which is going to be the porcelain. So this is the thickness of the cup. Okay, so then we're going to go E for extrude, and you can see that we're coming inside of the cup here. So we're just going to go S and scale outwards just slightly so that we can complete that lip. E for extrude, and all we're going to do is we're just going to follow the outside of the cup all the way down until we get to the base of the cup, and then I'll tell you what we need to do then. There's many people that say to me that I should be doing, just come up to the edge of the cup and then do E for extrude and then edit everything. To be honest with you, I like more control of my work. I like to, I don't know, like, I think the quality assessor in me, I used to work as a quality assessor, I think the quality assessor in me is going, no, don't do it like that, because that's kind of cheating, and you don't get full control over your projects. So we're going to go E for extrude again. Just trace that down. So this yellow bit's on the inside and the black bit's on the outside, yeah? And then we're going to go E for extrude, just try and follow the vertices, so to speak. So as you're going down with the E for extrude, just go S for scale and just bring it in just a little bit. Because with porcelain cups, they are quite thick. So, you know what, I'm going to backtrack a little bit. I'm just going to make that a little bit thicker on the inside there. E for extrude, bring that down. And then we're going to pull that in again. And then E for extrude. And then we'll pull this in. Now, you notice that we're getting to the end here. So, porcelain cups tend to be very thick at the bottom. The most thickest part of the porcelain cup, for sure, is the base of the cup. So what we're going to do, we're going to curve the bottom.